Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and access Apps. Following that, scroll down again and tap on App Clone. Lastly, click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, like Facebook. So now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your clone, access exactly the same settings and tap on the blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!